Hey, how's it going guys? So welcome back to another video on this channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something slightly different than I've done before, and I'm going to be sort of setting myself a bit of a challenge. And that challenge is to try and create a front cover for a notebook in only 10 minutes. And now the reason I'm making this video is to sort of show you guys and almost motivate you guys as to how easy it really is to create these books and how quickly you can create them to make lots and lots of sales. Now it's going to be a simple cover. I'm just be looking for a quote off a website called Pinterest. And yeah, I'm just going to be finding that quote and just putting it on the front and then adding sort of like a nice vector or graphic on the front. But yeah, like I said, I just want to use this video to sort of show you guys how easy it really is. Because I know some of you guys have been struggling saying it's taking up a lot of time. But yeah, it really is that simple and you can create these in 10 minutes. But anyway, if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And can I just ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated and helps me make more and more of these videos. And also, what do you guys think of the new haircut? I know you guys were starting to like my longer hair because I saw the comments in the other video and I thought, oh, I saw all these comments after I got my haircut, so there was nothing really I could do. But I don't know, I'm just gonna look in my mirror over there. But I don't know, it's not that bad. I'm starting to quite like it. And yeah, I'm loving this new setup just with my camera on the windowsill at the moment. I'm loving this grey background and the natural light on me. But anyway, we're going to be moving over to the computer, which is over there for me. My desk is just over there. And for this video, I'm going to be using the software called Adobe Illustrator, which I've talked about a lot. It's a great software, but like I've said many times, there is many great free ones out there, such as Canva, whoa, Gravit Designer, Inkscape, and I've also got a cool deal that's coming up for you guys. So remember to have post notifications on, because it's also a software that has a great designer in it, and it also has lots of great tools for searching keywords and different books and their bestsellers ranks. But yeah, stay tuned for that, because I will have a special deal for you guys and you can get a sort of discount for that software. But yeah, let's just get straight on with this video. So I'm just going to move my camera over there and let's get started. Okay, so we are now sitting at my desk, and as you can see, I already have Adobe Illustrator open with the template on the front. Now I just wanted to do this because I didn't want to waste my time doing all of that, and I've also, if I go into Google Chrome, I've also got Pinterest open for searching the funny quote that I'm going to be looking for, and I've got Vecteezy open where I'll be getting my graphic. And I just wanted to show you this cool website called bookowl.com, because I know some of you guys were struggling to find this website. And bookowl.com is where I download my template. Now, all you've got to do is go over to Home, and then go over to Free Resources on the right over here. Now, with Free Resources, all you've got to do is scroll down, and where it says here, Cover Template Generator, you're going to put in the width of your interior, for me, which is 6 inches, and the height, which is 9 inches. And then you type in how many pages, which is 120 pages, and then all of this stuff, and you put in your email address here, and it will send through the template to your email. And for me, that size was 12.52 by 9.25 inches for a 6 by 9 inch interior, 120 page count. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a short tip for you guys, and that's where I download, and it's a really great template, as you can see here. But anyway, let's just get straight on with the main part of this video, and I'm going to go on my phone and set the timer, go over into clock, timer, set it to 10 minutes. Okay, go back onto Pinterest, and let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we now have 10 minutes to design our front cover. So I've got that quickly now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search up a funny dog quote. So all I'm going to do, funny dog quote. And I'm going to just scroll down and find the best one I can. So we've got one here, but I sat on everything. No, that's not good. Life is great, dogs make it better. That is a great one. That looks like already that could be one we could use. Okay, so we can just keep scrolling down. We're looking for short, snappy ones that really catch the viewer's eye. All dogs are therapy dogs, not too long. I think my son is gay. What the hell? Dogs never lie about love. That's also a great one. So I will save these all into my book ideas. Save that as well. And keep scrolling. Is there anything better? Come on. We need to find one already. I think that's a minute gone. Yes, that's over a minute gone already. So it looks like we're going to be creating, or which one's better? Life is great, dogs make it better, or dogs never lie about love? Okay, let's go for the life is great, dogs make it better. So now we've got to go into Adobe Illustrator, and we're going to start by creating our first box. So we're going to get the rectangle tool and just draw over a massive box over everything. And now I'm just going to hide the first layer, and then I'm going to change the color. So go down to here, change the outline to none, and then change the color to black. And we're just going to use that for now. And then we've also got to create the spine. So, first I've got to center that first box, so I'm going to click the align tool here. So that's centered. Then we've got to create the spine, which is about that size. Yeah, that'll do. Center that. Okay, we're just going to have to trust that it is centered. And just to be able to recognize between the two, I'm just going to change that one, not to white. Let's go for a grey sort of color. Okay, let's go for that. That'll have to do for now. Okay, so next what we've got to do is get our quote. Let me just check how long we've got left. We've got 7 minutes left. So, life is great, dogs make it better. So, we're going to go to the type tool and just type out that quote for now. Caps, life is great, but dogs make it better. Okay, then after we've done that, select the type and then change the character color to white. Increase it. No, we don't want the stroke. What am I doing? Oh, I'm struggling now. Okay, just think. Okay, so we got to enlarge it first, holding shift. Jesus. Holding shift. So that is the quote. And then we're going to have to enter where we think that the sizes are best. But dogs make it better. Okay, so now that we've done that, what I'm going to want to do is go to paragraph and just center it because it looks a lot nicer. Hold shift and enlarge it again. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to want to put it over here. Make it as central as possible. I can't tell. Right, I'm going to have to decrease the size of this box to the size of the actual thing so I can get a better idea. Okay, now that we've done that, we can get a better idea of how big our text needs to be. So that is too big at the moment, so I've got to decrease the size of that. And then once we have that, what you're going to want to do is get a nice fancy text. Now we only have 5 minutes left, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through here and go through all my different texts that I have and look for a nice fun one. So I'm just going to drag that over to the side so I can have a look at it while I change. So go into character. That is a good one, grow bold, so I'll keep in mind for that. So we're looking for a nice fun one. So that could be a good one. That is also a good one, bubblegum. Let's have a look what other stuff we've got. That's not too bad. I don't have much time, so I think I'm just going to have to pick one soon. Okay, so we're going to have to pick between these two. So bubblegum looks like one we're going to choose for now. That's a good one for me. Decrease the size again, get it in the middle as much as possible. And then what we can do, just to emphasize the better, we can go over here, change that down to sweet rasty. Nah, I don't like the look of that. So we're just going to keep it how it was. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is find our dog sort of graphics. So we're going to go back into Google Chrome and go and search for dog. And now I don't have the unlimited version, so I'm going to have to just use the free one and try and find one in the free one. As you can see, there's a few good pro ones here, but we've just got to use free for now. And keep scrolling. Jesus, how long have I got left? I've got 3 minutes left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is going to be difficult. Keep scrolling. Is there anything? Do we have anything? Jesus, this is tough. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is download. Where's something? Where's something? Where is one? Okay, Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, this is the most difficult part, searching for all the vectors. Something like this. This is going to... Oh, that's going to work perfectly. Come on, that is perfect. Right, now we've got to wait 5 seconds for it to download. Come on, how long have we got left? Oh, 2 minutes, 45 seconds. This is going to be tough. Okay, so go back into Adobe Illustrator, open it up. Come on, I'm rushing now. Open it up. EPS file. Why isn't it opening properly? Okay. Okay, now we've got it there. Highlight it all. Command C to copy. Command V to paste. Hold Shift, decrease the size. Drag it over. Center it with the text. Oh no, what have I done? Okay, center it properly. Zoom in, make sure that looks alright. That looks alright to me. Center it properly.
To me spelled T.
Alexa, stop. How long have I got left? Okay, so I've only got 1 minute 30 left. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the size of that again. Center it in the middle. Make sure it's centered. Change the colour of that to black. Okay, that's good. Maybe just to add something different, change the colour of that. So I'm gonna where is it? The tool there. Change the colour of it, the same colour as the dog. Okay, that looks good. Now we've got to put the spine text. So we've got to get the text tool. Hold Shift, decrease the size. How long have we got left? Okay, we've got 50 seconds left. So all I've got to do now is center that. So we're going to go over to Align, Center. I'm going to check over here if it's in the middle. No, it's not quite in the middle, so I'm going to have to move it up even more. And then decrease the size of it again. So I've got to zoom in, decrease the size. Oh, I spelt that wrong. It's got to be lined. Okay, then check on here if it's within that sort of circle. So move it over here a bit. Hide that. Zoom out. And okay, with the dog, how long have we got left? So how long have we got? Got 1 second. No! Guys, that was probably one of the most difficult things I've ever done. Oh my god. Jeez. Okay. So, well, there we have it. I'm pretty happy with that for 10 minutes. And then we can do a bit of fine tuning. Now, I know it's over the 10 minutes, but I want to make this as best as possible. And then you can do all sorts of things. So with the grouping, it doesn't look that good with the black. I mean, obviously it'd be fine to upload, but with this, if I just singly select that, then change it to a grey sort of colour, that could look maybe a bit better. Nah, it doesn't look better. So yeah, just probably keeping that black would be better. Now I can enlarge that, do all sorts of tweaking, and then check with the first layer that everything's aligned. Now, as you can see, that is not quite centered, so I'm just going to move that across. Make sure that it does get centered. Hide that, select the dog, move it over, and yeah, that is our notebook. That is literally it. And I think something like that could work. Obviously, I didn't do the research and everything that is needed, but you gotta see like the kind of principle. This is the kind of principle I followed when I created my books. And yes, they did sell. They did actually sell very, very well. Now, all I would do, so just check everything is aligned again. Just make sure everything is perfect. Make sure everything is aligned. Yeah, that looks all good to me. And all I would do is go to File, Export, Export As. And then what I'd first do is PNG. And I'll show you why in a second. But first I would go Export as PNG. Now I'm just going to export that to desktops. Export. Yeah, you want it as high quality as possible. And what I do is go New again, create again, then go to my desktop, drag that over here, put it in the center. And yeah, there is the cover for our book. As you can see, it doesn't look that bad. I know, obviously, it looks a bit weird when it's zoomed out a bit, but when you zoom in, it looks perfectly fine. I think that would be something you could sell. I mean, obviously, I may tweak a couple of things with the dog's face, maybe move it a bit over to the right, a tiny, tiny bit. But yeah, honestly, guys, those are the kind of notebooks that I actually made, and they did sell. This was the only kind of thing I did, and they sold so well. And yes, they did take me in like 10, 20 minutes. That's all they took. And some of them, they made me over like $30 for one book that took 10 minutes work. I mean, really, to me, that is just a crazy thing to think. But anyway, let's just move on to the outro, and I'm going to move my camera back over there because I prefer the lighting and stuff. And yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so yeah, I hope you did find that useful in some way, and let me know in the comments how useful it was to you guys, really, and let me know if you have any questions for me, as I love reading all your comments and replying to every single one of you. And yeah, once again, hit that like and subscribe button, and if you like any interiors or anything, make sure you go and check out my Gumroad store below. I've got a few free ones for you guys, and I've also got a couple that only cost about $1 for some interiors that are really, really trending at the moment. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.